What would happen if the moon suddenly disappeared from our night sky? Let's begin by visualizing this dramatic scenario. The moon, Earth's faithful companion for billions of years, slowly fades away. The moon's gravitational pull is responsible for Earth's tides. It creates a bulge in Earth's oceans on both the side facing the moon and the opposite side. Without the moon, Earth's tidal patterns would become chaotic. Initially, we would experience massive tides as the Earth's rotation and the sun's gravity interact in new patterns. Coastal cities would experience unpredictable flooding as water levels rise beyond normal tidal ranges. This would be followed by periods of abnormally still waters as the tidal forces diminish without lunar influence. Nocturnal animals that rely on moonlight for hunting and navigation would immediately become disoriented. Many nocturnal species depend on moonlight for hunting, navigation, mating behaviors, and avoiding predators. Without moonlight, these animals would struggle to perform essential survival tasks, immediately disrupting forest ecosystems. Nights would become significantly darker without the moon's reflected sunlight. These darker nights would affect human navigation, plant growth cycles, and disrupt animals that synchronize their behaviors with lunar cycles. The moon currently stabilizes Earth's axial tilt at 23.5 degrees, giving us consistent seasons. Without the moon's stabilizing influence, Earth's axis would begin to wobble unpredictably. This wobbling would lead to chaotic seasonal changes and an unpredictable climate, disrupting Earth's ecosystems. Let's examine how Earth's seasons would become extreme without the moon's stabilizing presence. Our current climate has relatively mild temperature variations throughout the year. Without the moon, temperatures would swing dramatically between extreme cold and heat. Regions like Europe would experience bitter cold winters of -30 degrees Celsius, followed by scorching 50-degree summers. North America would face rapid freeze and thaw cycles, while tropical regions would see unpredictable monsoon patterns. Ocean currents play a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate. The moon drives tides, which help mix ocean waters and maintain these currents. Without the moon's tidal force, these carefully balanced ocean currents would weaken and become chaotic. The Gulf Stream would weaken substantially, breaking into chaotic eddies and losing its coherent flow pattern. Without tidal mixing, ocean nutrient cycling would decrease, El Niño and La Niña events would intensify, and the polar jet stream would weaken. All of this would lead to more severe and unpredictable weather events worldwide. Many animals rely on the moon for navigation during migration. Birds and sea turtles, for example, use the moon's light and position as a reliable navigational reference. Without the moon, these animals would become disoriented, leading to failed migrations and breeding cycles. This would trigger a cascade of ecosystem consequences: disrupted food chains, failed breeding cycles, species extinctions, and massive biodiversity loss. Finally, let's examine how human settlements would be affected by these drastic climate changes. Some cities would experience longer, darker winters with temperatures plunging to -40 degrees Celsius. Others would face extreme heat waves reaching 60 degrees Celsius, making them nearly uninhabitable. These climate extremes would cause widespread infrastructure failure, agricultural disruption, water management crises, and eventually mass population displacement. Without the moon's stabilizing presence, Earth would become a world of climate extremes, highlighting how crucial our lunar companion is for maintaining Earth's environmental stability.